Merry Christmas. The Santa suit got a little itchy, so I'm back to my normal self. But for the 12th tip of Christmas, I'm going to share with you my 12 favorite unique stays. If you're watching this on Christmas, I hope you are having a Merry Christmas with your family, and I'm glad that you took a moment to also watch these 12 unique stays. But I don't know if you noticed this, when Airbnb came out with their 100+ changes to their website, they threw tons of like unique stays when you're making a new listing. Me personally, one of the first ones that I wanted to do as a unique stay was a camper and RV, and Airbnb didn't have it at the time. Not only did they add that, they added like 100 more, which is crazy. But if you just go to a new listing, you can have some fun. You can take a look at these. But here's my 12 favorite that I'm like, man, that would kind of be fun to go try that out. So number one, like I already mentioned, a camper or an RV is definitely up there. Number two, unique farm stay. Going and being on a farm with the pigs and the chickens, that'd be kind of cool. Number three, a boat or a houseboat. Oh yeah, for sure. Number four, an earth house. I didn't even know what an earth house was. I had to Google it. You should Google it. It's literally made in the earth. It's kind of cool. Number five, a campsite. Who doesn't like to go camping? Number six, a barn. Okay, kind of in the same thing as a farm, but now we're talking about literally staying in a barn. Like, I can't even wrap my mind around that. That's kind of cool. Number seven, a bus. I'm thinking it doesn't mean school bus, it's probably party bus, but I just immediately picture a school bus. I don't know why, that'd be really weird, but if you can turn that into a place to live, that'd be kind of cool. Number eight, a castle. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be king for the day. Let's go to a castle. Number nine, a cave. That's very mysterious, I like that. Number 10, a dome house. Immediately thought of Biodome with Pauly Shore. 11, a hut. And number 12, an igloo, but please, please, please have a space warmer in your igloo. I don't want to freeze. Thanks for sticking with me till the end of the 12 tips of Christmas. If you've got this far and you still haven't gone and watched the free masterclass, you are missing out. It's how to get your first Airbnb without even owning the property in the next 30 days. And that's exactly where you can find it on my website, fearlesskyle.com, or down below in the description. And if you missed the last 11 days, well, here they are for you again. Thanks for joining me. 11 amenities to add value. 10 ways to get a 5-star review. 9 common objections. 8 hot holidays. 7 furniture and decor essentials. 6 places to shop. 5K to get a VA. 4 ways to get a listing. 3-day minimums. 2 sets of towels. And a free master class.